Hey friends, it's not easy to preach good values to kids. You need a perfect example to inspire and motivate them to become a wonderful future citizens and heroes of their own world. Taking this into regard, I found a perfect companion for my daughter Priyanshi. The book titled Superhero Many Talents by a renowned author Dion Morrison has all the qualities what a children's book should have. It does not impose good values on your face. Rather, it builds the foundation of morals in a slow and steady pace through a sweet girl JJ who is a superhero of her own world and can perform all the day-to-day activities with such perfections, thereby never letting go of her high moral values. This has given a deep insight to my daughter about various community helpers and what are good practices in certain scenarios. Moreover, it is really beautifully illustrated which keeps Priyanshi interested. She has developed habit of listening to one story daily from this book. Dion has also made sure that we get a holistic experience from Superhero JJ. So she has created a YouTube channel named Superhero JJ Many Talents, whose link is in the description below. This book is easily available on Amazon and other platforms. So what are you waiting for? Go! Grab your copies and subscribe to Superhero JJ Many Talents YouTube channel. Take care.